If you're just waking up and you need something super duper easy to help you get up and feel a little bit looser and prepare for the day, this video is for you. We're going to do some easy sitting down or laying down stretches, low flow, low impact for the full body to help you get started for your day. Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Anna Bendy, or welcome if you're new here. We got a cat. She's saying hello and welcome. Quick reminder that I do have my Patreon account active. If you are looking for more support from me, support from others, more of a community and more of a personal vibe to help you on your flexibility journey, go ahead and click the link down below and join our community. I post exclusive content just for you, such as breakdowns of exercises and stretches to help you have a better understanding of what a stretch is and how to perform it. We have Q&As, weekly live sessions, inspirational posts, and some aesthetic posts of flexibility to inspire you. I cannot wait to see you there. Let's get into it. And we are done. Thank you so much for joining me today, for joining me this morning, or whatever that is, wherever you're at. I hope this video was helpful. If so, go ahead and share it with somebody who might want to stretch with us as well. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram for more. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. And if you need something more visual and quick for reference to get you started stretching, I do have my free PDF guide. I'll link it right here, and you can click the link down below in my description and you can download it. It's totally free. It has images, multiple stretches for our upper body and our lower body to help you ease into your flexibility journey.